Programming a key fob for your 1995 to 2006 Nissan Maxima is a straightforward DIY process that syncs the remote with your car's immobilizer system. You'll need your key fob and the ignition key from your vehicle. No special tools are typically required for this process. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is unlocked and all doors are closed. The process involves cycling the ignition key to put the body control module into programming mode. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then cycle it off and back on 5 to 7 times within 10 seconds. A horn chirp or light flash confirms you're in programming mode. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on your key fob. The car should respond with a confirmation. Repeat this for each additional fob you want to program, up to 4 total. Finally, exit programming mode by turning the ignition to off. Keep in mind that these steps can vary slightly depending on your Maxima's model year. The process allows the car's body control module to learn and recognize the key fob's radio frequency signal. If the programming fails, double-check the key fob battery. A multimeter can help verify its voltage. Timing is critical. Make sure to perform the ignition cycling within the specified time frame. If the BCM doesn't respond with a chirp or flash, try the process again, paying close attention to the timing. Online forums like Nissan Forums or Reddit's r/Nissan offer model-specific guides and troubleshooting tips. Some users have found success using inexpensive OBD2 adapters with smartphone apps to diagnose BCM issues, but this is primarily for diagnostics, not programming. Be cautious, as incorrect procedures could potentially reset the BCM, disabling alarms or immobilizers. While DIY is generally safe, underlying electrical issues can complicate the process. If you're uncomfortable with electronics, consider consulting a professional mechanic or Nissan technician. Remember, parts availability for these older models may decrease over time, so consider purchasing a backup key fob while they are still readily available. A YouTube search for your specific year, Maxima key fob programming can provide helpful visual guidance.